settling into a nice, comfortable seated position. Taking a nice smooth breath in, and as you breathe out, close down your eyes or lower your gaze, whatever feels comfortable for you to do at this time. We're going to take a mindful walk through nature. So imagine that you're standing in a meadow. If you wish, you can be barefoot as you slowly walk through the meadow, becoming aware of the ground beneath your feet. Perhaps you're aware of the sun on your face. Maybe there's a breeze blowing the grasses. Maybe you imagine the butterflies and the bees flitting between the flowers as you gently walk through the meadow. Don't worry about getting the perfect meadow. Whichever meadow springs to mind is your ideal one for today. Become mindfully aware of your surroundings. And as you look into the distance, you notice some trees. You walk towards the trees through the meadow. The warmth of the sun on your face and your body. A gentle breeze blowing your hair and the grass beneath your feet. And you come to the wooded area. It's a magical area with ferns and trees and moss. The sun creates dappled shadows on the floor, and you stand amongst the trees, imagining that your roots are growing out from your feet and connecting to all the trees around you. Trees are beautiful beings who connect to one another through their root system and the mycelium, sending healing energy to unwell trees. Connect into that energy beneath your feet. That connection with the trees surrounding you. A deep connection with nature all around. Feeling deeply centered, grounded and balanced as you connect to the sacred energy of the trees through your root system and theirs. Maybe you wish to draw this beautiful grounded energy up through your roots into your body, allowing this beautiful energy to pick up anything that no longer serves you and allow it to be released out through the crown of your head. Notice how that sense of grounding, balance, a sense of centered alignment, how comforting it feels. If you wish, you can can continue walking now through the woods. Perhaps you even want to go and give a tree a hug, thanking the tree for its sacred energy. Just make sure you ask it first before you hug it. As you wander through the dappled sunlight, coming through the trees' leaves from overhead, you head towards the sound of water. As you come out of the trees, you notice some water. It can be a river or a lake, maybe even a waterfall. Whatever comes to mind for you today. And you can gently dip your feet in the water's edge. And if the water is really enticing and inviting, perhaps you decide to take a little swim. Just allowing that water to flow over you, cleansing you, balancing you, and aligning you. Noticing the flow of water and the cleansing qualities that this brings. You notice the sky is starting to turn towards sunset. As the golden hues of a sunset start to light the sky up, you decide to carry on walking. And heading back towards home. As you near home, you see a giant boulder. And as the night sky starts to descend, the moon and the stars start to light up the sky. You gently climb upon this boulder, noticing it still feels warm from the sun's rays during the day. And you gently lie on the boulder, looking up towards the heavens, towards the moon and the stars, as you gently bathe in their golden healing light. Perhaps you close down your eyes and just allow the divine healing energy from the heavens above to bathe you. Or perhaps you look at each of the stars and the moon and the gentle scattering of dust across the sky that is the Milky Way. Resting in this celestial light, soaking up this beautiful healing energy. And you can rest here as long as you wish, bathing in the healing light of the moon and the stars. Or if it feels right for you to do, in your mind's eye, imagine yourself gently clambering down from the boulder and making your way home. Having enjoyed a wonderful healing and cleansing, mindful walk through nature. And in your own time, open your eyes to the room.